At the moment, our source control system, GitLab, is hosted within our local development environment. But because we want our EC2 instance to fetch codes from our source control, we are going to set up a second remote code repository that will be publicly accessible. This is because our EC2 instance cannot fetch codes from within our local development environment, except we are ready to invest a huge amount of time and resources to expose our local environment to the internet. The second remote repository can be hosted on GitHub, Bitbucket, or any other source control system. I will be using gitlab.com, but feel free to use anyone. They all work the same way and the approach is the same. So if you want to use gitlab.com, go to about.gitlab.com, click sign in. If you don't already have an account, click register now and fill the registration forms, or sign in with any of these applications. I have an account, so I will just click this button to sign in. To create a new project, I will click on the new project button. I will name the project polling as I always do. I will type a description for the project. This time, I will make the visibility level public, just so you can have access to it. And I will actually make the link available for you so you can copy the code and use it for practice. Click Create Project. Next, I will use the option of pushing an existing folder. I will copy the remote add command, then switch to my code editor and on the code folder, paste the command in the terminal. Instead of git remote add origin, I will change to git remote add. You can type anything you wish to name the second remote, but I will name this one gitlab.com since we already have one named origin. Git remote-v. You can see I now have two remote repositories. Origin hosted on the local GitLab instance and gitlab.com hosted on my gitlab.com's account. To push code to gitlab.com, I will run git push gitlab.com master instead of origin master. I will go back to gitlab.com and reload the polling projects page. And here is our polling application code with all the existing commits. That is it for this episode. I will see you in the next one.